Hello, welcome to a quick unboxing of the Pioneer Slim Portable Blu-ray Writer. And this is the BDR XD05TS. I bought this one because I wanted the optical drive for my MacBook. So I was looking for a USB 3 drive that was pretty, well, I don't want to say cheap, but like a good all-rounder that would like not make me buy or regret buying this. So let's take a look inside. This is obviously a bit more than just a optical drive. It's a Blu-ray burner actually. Let's get to it. This looks nice. It's not heavy at all. So it has USB 3.0. I didn't find anyone with USB-C, but I was thinking like if it's 3.0 I'm fine with it. So it actually, I think it has a button here for opening it underneath here. Oh, not sure how to grab it. Yeah, just like this. You can see like the two lasers or like optical elements. Yeah. Don't want to keep it open for too long, otherwise it gets dusty inside. So it has a dedicated power input. It doesn't come with a power supply because you can power it via USB. But let's look at the cable it comes with. There it is. So it's one of those with the dual A plugs. So you can, like, if you have a low powered USB output on your notebook, you can plug in both and it will like use the power from both. But I will use like a USB 3.0 type to USB-C. Well, this will still be USB 3.0, you know, but you know what I mean. That fits nicely. Okay, so let's put this aside and this and that. Let's take a quick look at this. So this is like the manual. Shouldn't be like that impressive. Just like you can take a quick look. And I think that's already all that's to be seen. Does this say? Yeah, that you need a special driver to get the full speed if you're using 2.0 ports. Yeah, but I will use it with the USB 3 port, so I don't really care. This download link. Okay, I think so much for the unboxing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.